Hey and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video we will find the best free audio editor by comparing Audacity and Reaper in 2025. If you're looking for the best free audio editor in 2025, then watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. Audacity is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux machines. Audacity is a popular audio editor that provides all of the basic and some advanced functions audio editors may need for their podcasts, interviews, social media content, and school projects. Features include live recording, non-destructive editing, equalization, mixing, applying effects, multi-track editing, and file importation in formats such as WAV and FLAC. In Audacity's latest release, version 3.7.4, the developers have included Intel OpenVINO AI plugin macOS support, which provides effects such as music separation, noise suppression, and transcription using the OpenAI Whisper model. Audacity is free and, as an open-source project, will likely always remain so. If you want to avoid a subscription-based DAW or editing platform, Audacity might suit you. It's not the most beginner-friendly option around, and it doesn't have the full features of some other DAWs. And so if you want a free solution, check out Ocean Audio, or if you want a more advanced solution, Adobe Audition might suit you. Reaper is an excellent alternative that has gathered positive reviews as a flexible, stable solution, great for mixing and synthesizing multiple audio tracks. Some of its tools are on the level of advanced digital audio workstations, DAWs, and there is support for countless third-party plugins. It's very reasonably priced, too, at $60 for individuals and very small businesses, or $225 for a commercial license. It has many pros, like it's affordable to all, and also it is pretty flexible, but like every other comparison, Reaper has its own cons, like its cluttered user interface, which can get really messy on heavy projects. Through that basic one-on-one comparison, you can easily choose what suits you the best. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.